It is actually 2 o'clock lunchtime, and we just realized we forget to call the intro. For the beginning, that's intro time! Hello guys, and welcome in this new video. Today we are here with the family from Italy. We got my sister Federica. Hello. And the son. Say hello. Yeah. She's Irene, she's Marta.
Hi.
He's Francesco. And today we have got Miria's car. This is a very nice car. This is a Jeep. So let's have a look to the car. We are on the road. We are going to Giambiani. Is it right? Hello?
Hello? What?
Is it right? Giambiani.
Giambiani.
Yeah,
it's
that's the right name.
Beach.
So we're coming from Matemwe. We are going to this place. It's supposed to be a beach. I don't know. It's supposed to be beautiful. I still don't know. We'll check it later.
King of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around. Oh,
After I think it's 1.5 hour drive on the asphalt and maybe 15 to 20 minutes on this white road, we are in Ukongurani, and we are just now getting lost. As you can see, we have to see if we can find the beach. And after we go back to the east side of the island, hoping to find a petrol station, because if we run out we will never come back home. This is a beautiful place with the sea in the trees, but something missing. Yeah, the water is missing. That's exactly the best wrong period to come here. Maybe it will be very nice in like 3, 4, 5 hours. Oh, we can find water over there. There is water there. I really have to share this with you guys. See how good it is to walk here. This is actually very nice. We are in this beautiful place. I don't know why there are no tourists here. Should be full of idiots like us. That's what has to be here. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm absolutely going to stop here because it's very painful to walk here. And let's do a 360 to see where we are.
oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true. And it's like me. And life is human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too.
Hello guys.
So we are in this place that it's supposed to be, I think it's nice if you have the water, but there is no reason to come here maybe. That's why there is not a real road to come here, because the real bay where the water is very, very far away, as you can see from the drone shot. So we are going back to the car and we are moving to another bay. Hopefully we'll find something to eat and maybe even some water. I mean ocean water, because we have water. This is Zanzibar, and we left tomorrow from Mateme, that is this one here, and this is the logo of Zanzibar House. And we came all the way down to Kiwangwa, and after we went on this road and down on here. Here we took the wrong road up to here, where we realized we were on the wrong road, because here you can cross. There is no road over here. So we went back over there. We came here. We went on the side of Jazani Forest, that is the white road you saw, and now we are here. In these places, this one is the bay you see from the drone shot. Now we are going back on here. I think there is this road going from here to here, and we go this way. It's 2 o'clock now, and we are going to eat something. They prepare for us some sandwich. I don't know what they did. I would like to have a sandwich with ham, Italian ham and tomato, but it won't be like this. So let's see what they did for us. How is it?
I'm hungry.
So it means basically that it's supposed to be good because you want to eat. I'll taste one and I'll tell you how it is. So this is a sandwich with eggs, and it's delicious. No, it isn't, but we have to eat. This is an exactly message for Miria. She called us just maybe half an hour ago, and she asked us, where are you? And our replies was, we have absolutely no idea. So Miria, I'll show you where we are now. I have absolutely no idea.
It's true. And it's like me. And like human Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub.
Dentro. Allora, sì, ci sono le cave. Si chiamano Kuza Cave. Sono all'interno.
Quello che diceva il cellulare.
Però ha detto che mo che c'è bassa marea, dice aspettate un paio d'ore, un'oretta almeno, perché ancora non c'è niente. Allora ci ha consigliato di vedere la spiaggia. Ha detto scendendo qui 100 metri a destra, ecco quello lì, ci entriamo dentro.
Perché ci dobbiamo fare bagno dentro le grotte?
Sì, si fa il bagno.
Ve fate il bagno, io me lo faccio.
Ah, tanto io la spiaggia voglio vedere qua. Quindi ha detto qua 100 metri a destra e c'è tutta, mettete la macchina dove vi pare, c'è tutta la bella spiaggia, ci facciamo un bagnetto, ci mangiamo l'altro panino e tornando indietro andiamo a vedere Kuza Cave e ce ne andiamo.
Ripetilo in inglese.
Me l'ha detto in italiano, perché te lo devo dire in
Che
inglese?
la camera la sente in inglese.
Ah, stai registrando? Ok.
So we found out that actually the cave does exist. So they are called Kuza Cave. We are here and they are around here, I think. Where are they?
Inside. Yes.
Yeah, around here. So it was the one that Google Maps was showing us, but it has picture of hotel, so I was not sure. But they also say that now they are not nice to see because it's low tide, so they suggest to wait a couple of hours so that we have the water back from the ocean. So I think we are going to the beach, spending some time over here on the beach, and maybe we go into the water, go there, we spend a couple of hours, we eat our second beautiful, very nice, great sandwich, and after we go and look for the cave.
Tuna sandwich will be better of egg sandwich.
On the beach now, reaching my family, reaching my sister. They are outside, they are just making some picture, but I prefer to stop and take a coconut.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. We believe you see it true. And it's like me. Can't let to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. We believe you see it true. And it's like me. Can't let to be human
So we actually find the place. So guys, the place is very nice. You can see the water is very shallow. I don't know why the water is not salty, even if it comes with a tide. So I have an idea. Now we are going to have a bus inside. I'll take the GoPro. I don't know if we can see something from the GoPro, but I'll try to bring the GoPro with me. The place is beautiful. Basically it's a cave full of water. The water is not salty and you have to pay. You have to pay 20,000 shillings, about $10, maybe I think around €8, but yeah, it's good, very good. Now that the song is finished, we are finally moving home. Hop! Quante volte mi intoppo sul hop 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 hop. So guys, almost sunset time. We are going back to home. We are halfway now. And hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and share if you like, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.